Good day everyone, no? And this is our presentation. And let's talk about Smart Convenience Store, IoT architecture and implementation plan.
Introduction. The Smart Convenience Store project focuses on improving store operation through the use of Internet of Things, IoT technology. By connection seniors a smart device and cloud system, the store can automate important tasks such as inventory tracking, temperature monitoring, and customer flow analysis. This project presents an IoT architecture in implementation a plan that ensures efficiency, reduce manual work, and change the overall shopping experience. Executive summary. The Smart Convenience Store project introduces an IoT powered by solution designed to modernize retail option and exchange the customer experience by integrating IoT seniors. Ang halimbawa po ng executive summary is halimbawa ng mga proseso, pagsusuri at pag-update ng inventory, pagsukat ng temperature para sa siguradong tama na kondisyon ng mga produkto, pagtukoy kung gaano karami ang customer at kanilang galaw at sa loob ng tindahan o customer flow. Mabilis mag-check out ng magamit ng smart system. Kunwari sir, kung gusto po nila bumili ng smart system, kung bibili po sila, bali check out mo nila bago po nila order din.
IoT architecture review. The Smart Convenience Store will use multi-layer IoT architecture that includes following components. Perception layer, sensors devices. They are the physical devices that collect real-time data inside the store. RFID tags and scanners. Automatic product identification and inventory tracking. Smart shelves with weight sensors. Detect dim quantity and trigger restocking alerts. Temperature and humidity sensors. Monitor flash flood, storage and beverage refrigerators. Smart cameras with AI statistics, tracks customer movement and fuel lanes. Motion sensors and door sensors. Monitor enhances energy usage. B network layer. Connectivity and data transmission. The layer is responsible for sending data from devices or for the cloud, like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth Low Energy, Zigbee, or LoRa. Secure MQTT protocol for IoT data transmission. So, i-explain ko sa inyo. So basically, mga to is multi-layer to siya. Multi-layer sa system siya para makollect yung mga data, matransmit at ma-analyze yung data inside the store. So, ito may explanation ako sa isa-isa na yan. So, yung processing layer na yan, ito yung layer na may physical device. Dito yung nanggaling lahat ng mga real-time data. So, RFID and tag scanners, ito yung sinabi ko na. Ito yung nag-automatic identify ng product, so hindi mo na kailangan mano-mano sa inventory. Smart shelves with weight sensors, sila yung nag-detect kung ilan yung mga items sa shelf at nagsisend ng alert if kailangan ng mag-restock. Temperature, humidity sensors, ito yung minomonitor yung mga freshness ng food and drinks, especially sa mga refrigerators. Smart cameras with analytics, dito yung nagtatrack ng customer movement, queue lens, and overall store activity. Motion sensors and door sensors, ito yung para malaman kung may pumapasok ba or lumalabas, and para na rin monitor ang energy sa usage. And B network layer, connectivity data transmission. Dito naman mangyari yung mga nagsisend ng collect data papunta sa cloud. Like ganun sinabi ko, like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth Low Energy, Zigbee or LoRa, or Secure MQTT protocol. Yan po.
Detailed implementation plan. A. Step 1. Requirements gathering. Identify store layout, product categories, and number of sensors needed. Determine network coverage and power requirements. consult with store managers regarding the daily pain points. B. Step 2. Device selection. Choose devices based on accuracy, durability, cost, and connectivity. And select RFID tags and readers for automated inventory. Choose smart shelves with integrated weight sensors. Install IP cameras with built-in AI analytics. Use Wi-Fi and Zigbee hubs for stable connectivity. See Step 3. Network and cloud setup. Configure local Wi-Fi or Zigbee networks. Deploy edge computing gateway. Set up cloud platform for device registration and data ingestion. Implement secure communication, TLS, SSL, and data encryption. And so, how do we actually build this smart convenience store? Our implementation plan involves a few key steps. First, we need to gather requirements. This means understanding the specific needs of the store, identifying the best locations for sensors, and determining the network coverage and power requirements. We also talk to store managers to understand their daily pain points and challenges. And next, we'll select the right devices. This is crucial because we need to balance accuracy, durability, cost, and connectivity. We'll also choose RFID tags and readers for inventory management, smart shelves with weight sensors for stocking alerts, and IP cameras with AI analytics for customer tracking. Finally, we'll set up the network and cloud infrastructure. This involves in configuring local Wi-Fi or Zigbee networks, deploying an edge computing gateway to process data locally, setting up a cloud platform for device registration and data ingestion, and implementing robust security measures like TLS, SSL, and data encryption to protect sensitive data.
Here is the list expect benefits. I have a short explanation on po, no? And first is operational efficiency. Ito po yung kausahayan sa pagpapalakad ng store. And the automate inventory checks po is ito yung mga automatic na palagi nagmamacheck o nagsusunod ng inventory sa mga store. Like, sila po yung mga na talaga. Sabihin natin yung crew ganun or yung mga tao na sila po yung lagi nagmamacheck kung ano yung inventory na or yung binibenta na yun. Ganun. And the reduced labor in self-monitoring is ito na po yung nagbabawas or paggawa ng mga monitoring. Like, magbabawas ka magagawa ka ng mga monitoring. And the faster restocking and replacement cycles improve customer experience. And dito naman po isa na mabilis ang pag-restock at pagdadagdag ng karanasan sa customer. Dito naman po yung pinaka-main target dito is yung karanasan ng customer. Ganun. And the shorter quizzes through AI monitor checkout lanes, and the cleaner, safer food due to temperature monitoring, and the more organized store layout based on customer flow analytic cost savings. And dito po sa analytic na to is ito po yung parang di ba alam kung ito po ba yung main or something na kasi ito po yung nag-a-analyze ng daloy ng customer. Like, ito na po yung nagdadaloy pupunta sa customer. And the prevention of spoiled items is sa mga spoiled na items, and cleaner energy consumption, reduce manual labor cost, data-driven management, and real-time visibility of store operations, and accurate prediction of customer demand. And last is better product placement strategies. And here the implementation plan na. And we have 7 plan, which is yung requirements, design, hardware setup, software dev, testing, deployment, and maintenance.
And for the conclusion, the Smart Convenience Store IoT architecture enables our more efficient and automated and data-driven retail environment through smart sensors, cloud analytics, and real-time monitoring. The business is able to improve operators, enhance customer satisfaction, and reduce overall costs. This implementation plan outlines a practical, scalable approach for deploying IoT technologies in a modern, convenience store settings. Yan lang po. Thank you.